In the third step, we need to decide the web method to access the service. For each method that we have decided in the class, we need to decide how it should be accessed from the web. The web method is referring to one of these four: get, post, put, or delete. This lesson is using the first two methods, that is, get and post. Previously, we have designed the class that will manage requests made on the teacher's information. We represent this class as teacher service. And within this class, we have defined a set of methods that represent the service as shown in the diagram here. For each method here, we assign one web method for each. For the sake of the example, we limit to two web methods only, which are get and post. So, how do we decide between get and post for each method? Let's take an example, this method here. This method do not need any data from the consumer to execute, and it will return a simple string. Get seems to be the most suitable web method, and we return it as plain text. Let's see another example here, where we need to return JSON object to the web service consumer. This method does not expecting any value to be passed from the consumer, so we assign get. This method is supposed to return a list of teachers, and we return it as JSON object. So the response type is JSON. Let's see another example with different web method. This method is expecting an object to be provided by the service consumer. Since it is to be invoked via web, this method is expecting the service consumer to send the information in JSON format. Since the expected parameter is not a simple data, we assign post as the web method and return additional information to the data in JSON format as well. Then, we compile the design for this step into a document. Usually, we add this as separate information in the software design document.